Hello there. How are you doing? Today we're going to learn family members. Family members. Grandfather. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandmother. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. Task number 1. Match the pictures with the family members. Here are some new family members. Uncle, aunt, cousins, family tree. You can find grandparents, so granddad, grandpa or grandfather, granny, grandmother or grandma, mother or mom or mommy, father or dad, daddy, brother, sister. At the same time, they are son and daughter. There are uncle, aunt, and cousins. Task number 2. Look at the family tree and complete the sentences. There are 4 members in this family, so it's a small family. This is a big family or a large family because there are grandparents, parents, and children. Now let's revise family members. Have grandpa or granddad or grandfather, grandma, grandmother, granny, father or dad, mother or mom, daughter, son, wife, husband, uncle, aunt, cousin. This is the end of this lesson. Take care.